Let me show you how to insert SIM card and also memory card in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So first things first, inside the box you'll actually get your SIM card ejector tool, which looks like this. So we are going to need this. Okay, and on your phone over here on this side, so on the left side on the top, you see you have this like SIM card tray over here. What we have to do is we simply have to take this tool and simply slide into that tiny hole and push it inside. So you see I'm taking this tool, inserting it inside, and I'm simply going to push it. Okay, and you see eventually this like tray actually pops out and we can actually remove it. Also, if you perhaps have lost your SIM card ejector tool, what you can do is you can simply take a sewing needle, so something like this, and use a sewing needle as well for this process, but then it's actually a bit different. So what we would do is simply take our sewing needle, insert it again in this hole, and basically rest our phone on the table as we do it. So position like this and simply push our phone inside. And then you see also this tray actually pops out. So again, if you actually use a sewing needle and if you like simply try to like push it inside like this, you won't get enough grip. So again, simply like rest it against the table to eject it. Okay, and in the SIM card tray, you actually have space for 2 SIM cards, which is absolutely awesome. By the way, we can only either use 2 SIM cards at the same time or 1 SIM card plus 1 memory card. So if you also want to use memory card in this adapter, you can only use 1 SIM card. And this phone is using the tiniest nano SIM card, so the smallest basically you can actually get. So we would simply take this card. As you see on the SIM card, you see you have like tiny triangle over here, and the way we need positioned. So you see, okay, so I have my tray like this, and I would simply take my card over here and position it like this. So you see we have the tiny triangle over here. So this is SIM card 1. And if you want to insert the second SIM card, again, simply make sure the SIM card is positioned in this position and insert it here. Okay, so you see where it actually goes. Also another small triangle, yeah. And if you want to also use a memory card at the same time, so you see I have my SIM card number 1 over here, I would take my micro SD memory card and position it in this. So you see where you have the cutouts and put it inside. Okay, so it's completely flush. So you see the SIM card and the memory card has to go all the way in and completely sit inside. And then we can insert this in the phone. Okay, and once inserted, so wait a bit till your SIM card actually appears. So also basically on the top over here, you see you can also like click over here on the SD card, and you can also like view the contents or also format if needed. Also, if you want to manage the SIM cards, we would simply go in the settings, connections. Okay. So basically once you actually insert the SIM card, you see it actually opened up the SIM manager. There, SIM manager over here, and then yeah, you have your SIM card here. Also, if you insert the second SIM card over here, you will also have to choose a preferred SIM card for the calls, messages, and also mobile data. Okay, good luck everyone.